Okay, guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am in Benin bypass, and we are going to bake in this bakery. We are going to carry out serious training, and we are going to test at least 9 recipes. This is the bakery address, Nunu Bites, and it's an amazing place.
This is the Baptist.
This is the CEO.
The CEO of Nunubai.
Nunu Bites.
Yes.
The CEO of Nunu Bites.
Yes, correct.
City.
And my mentor is teaching very
Give
well.
us the address. Nunu Bites.
Okay, Nunubai is at Sapler Road, Obage Community, Obage Road, or Sapler Road bypass, Edo State, Benin City, Nigeria. Thank you very much.
We are installing all the equipment.
Yes.
So here I was teaching them how to use the dough molder, and it's really simple. It's very simple equipment to operate, and it also make the work easy and very fast. So it's worth buying.
We invite you on Thursday, you come chop bread, you go chop any kind of bread you need. Sardine bread, coconut bread, cake bread. It is a Nunu's Bite Bakery. We're inviting you.
It took me just 2 days to train them, and they are already baking wonderful loaves of bread. And everyone was happy. The CEO was happy. The MD was happy. Everyone is happy. So you see, bread making is one thing that I always do it with passion. I focus and give you the tips, the needed deep details that are very important. Every tip you need for your bakery business to succeed, we try our best, formulate recipes. We also buy some loaves from the competitors, those that are already in the market. Then we compare our recipe with those ones that are already in the market. That way we'll come up with good loaves of bread that can stand the test of time. That is how you start your bakery business and succeed. And so now, this is the first product we produce, and we just use it to test the equipment. No hand gloves are not available yet, so they are still preparing. I have to give them list of things they should buy, and in order to improve production and hygiene practices, which are very essential. Now, one of the methods I use in training students very fast is to assign duties. Now, as soon as we bake, I was surprised to see this crowd ready to buy, very happy. Anyone that takes a bite will always ask for 1 or 2 loaves, and the place was so filled up. And before I know, within a twinkle of an eye, everything we produce, we never had intention of selling, but everything was just off. They bought all, and we are very excited because the bread was super delicious compared to what is already in the market. So this is something that is coming up to take over Benin City. You have to be ready. You have to be ready. Nunu Bite is coming. So this is what we do. We give you the best, and after training, we are sure that you will succeed. That is how to do it. So it was a great moment in this bakery. Tomorrow I'm going to give you more updates on equipment because they really tried. They've bought all the necessary basic equipments that are needed in bakery or bread production. Now this guy was very committed, this baker. No, I trained him how to bake, and he was so excited, ready to bake. And you can see the handle. 2 days training, you can see what the guy is bringing out. Very beautiful, high quality loaves of bread. I also focused on one of them, taught that one how to mix. So there'll be division of labor. One should be able to mix thoroughly, while the other should be able to control the oven. That way, while mixing is going on, baking is also going on, and that is how we run the business. Let me take you to the storeroom. This is one beautiful storeroom that is well positioned, and I love the space and everything, the box here where we lock all the essential ingredients so that The staffs will not just see our secrets. And then this factory is also run with solar. We use solar to power the oven. That is the advantage of gas oven. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the like button. Tell us where you're watching from, and I'll be so happy. Give us a call. We will train your staffs online or in your bakery. You can also come to our bakery. We deliver. We give the best training. Very easy, and you will not regret contacting us. See you in our next video. God bless you.